Well, hello babes, and welcome back to the channel. If you would like to see how I achieved this beautiful quick weave with a minimum leave out, I did a middle part and I got this beautiful gorgeous copper hair in a nice body wave texture. Definitely stay tuned. This is another beauty supply store gem and I paid under 30 bucks to get this look, so stay tuned.
I'm someone that ain't even mine. So if you don't mind, can you come over tonight? It's fine, it's fine. I just need a little something from ya. Don't wanna love up on ya no more. I just wanna touch up on ya. Feel that shit I used to like.
Alright babe, so let's get into this hair a little bit. I'm going to be using the Model Gardenia 1-pack solution here that I purchased from my local beauty supply store for only $22 and some change. This pack comes with 3 bundles, at 18, at 20, and 22 inch. And the hair is pre-colored, so you don't have to worry about wasting time or product coloring the hair. So before we get to install our hair, we want to add our second layer of protection over our real hair to make sure we have it protected from the glue and adhesive. I'm going to be using my Holy Grail product that you just saw there and apply that all over my hair. And as you can see there, I have applied it all over my hair and it is now dry. So I'm going to go in and now cut off the excess stocking cap. And this excess stocking cap that I'm going to cut off needs to go because as you can see, it's in the way. And the rest of our stocking cap is not going to peel back or fall off because we applied our Weave Wonder Wrap solution on our hair, which is a very sticky solution, and it will cause the stocking cap to stick directly to our hair. So that way we don't have to worry about it peeling off. Once it completely dries, you are able to cut it off like you see me doing here, and you'll be good to go ahead and start laying down your extensions. So here's the first bundle that we're going to be laying, which is our longest bundle, the 22 inch. As you can see, this hair is super beautiful. The color is beautiful and it has a very nice luster. This brand hair is probably one of my favorite when it comes to wearing synthetic body wave hair because it mimics virgin hair the most for me. The only thing that I would say about this hair is that it does tangle, but any synthetic hair that you get, I don't care how good it is, I don't care what brand it is going to tangle. So to avoid dealing with excessive tangling and shedding, and if you want to prolong the life of your synthetic hair or wig units, definitely take them off at night. Don't wear them consistently all day every day. And when you are wearing them on your head, make sure your hair is tied up and your hair is in a bonnet. If you're not out, there's no reason for your hair to be out when it comes to synthetic hair. Also, using lightweight oil will also help with tangling, and when the hair gets nappy or has that kinkier look, a lightweight oil will help get those out. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into laying down our install. As you can see, I just measured out my hair, cut it, and I'm applying my 30 Seconds Salon Pro glue to the weft. I'm not using a lot of glue, try to be light-handed with the glue, and then applying that onto my head, following the shape of my head, following the previous track that I just laid down to my head, and going in like maybe a U shape or a C shape. You pretty much just want to follow the natural shape of your head with your fingers, going from one side of the ear to the other to lay down your extensions. And we're going to continue to do this until we work our way all the way up to the top. And then we'll go ahead and get into blending our leave out. Now that we've completed laying down our extensions, we're going to go ahead and tint to this leave out. My leave out has absolutely no product on it. It is freshly washed and conditioned. And I'm going in to spray my hair with some heat protectant. Always use heat protectant on your hair before you apply any type of heat, no matter what. And I use the Tresemme heat protectant. All the items will be listed down in my description box below. If you need any information on any specific item, definitely check the description box. The flat iron I'm using is the Babyless Pro. I believe this, I forgot which inch it is, but it's the smallest one. As you can see, it's one of my favorite flat irons to use for my natural hair as well for extensions. I'm using it on medium setting, and again, no product has been put on my hair besides the heat protectant at this point. So first, what I'm going to do is silk out my leave out like I'm doing a silk press. Then I'm going to go in with my crimper that I got from Walmart. It's a Conair crimper, and I'm going to crimp my leave out so they can just have a wave to it as it blends in with the extensions. I'm also going to apply some product on top of my leave out, a wax stick or some type of lightweight oil to help with frizziness and maintain my hair so it does not revert back, because I am 100% natural. So I'm going to let the rest of the video play out and let you guys just watch what I'm doing.
I just need a little something from you. Don't wanna love up on you no more. I just wanna touch up on you. Feel that shit I used to like. You know what you're doing. Lord knows we've been through it. It's your choice to pursue it. Won't lie, can't lie. Sometimes call you late nights, won't waste your time. Oh, na, na, na. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh. No time, no time, no time.
And this is a direct result of how my install turned out, guys. So let me know what you think about this color. I absolutely love this color on me. I feel like this color looks good on everybody. It just makes the skin pop. But nevertheless, let me know your opinions down below. I appreciate you all so much for watching. If you're new and you want to see more content like this from me, please hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. And to all my returning subbies, I love y'all and appreciate y'all for rocking with your girl. Thank you for watching, and everyone, please stay safe, beautiful, and blessed.